Introducing SoroStarter, the Polka starter of the Soroban blockchain and the Stellar Lumen ecosystem. SoroStarter is a decentralized fundraising platform that empowers Web3 projects and companies built on Soroban and the Stellar Lumen ecosystem. It enables these projects to launch and raise funds through its token pool IDO, token sale and incubation protocol. Additionally, SoroStarter helps these projects significantly grow their communities and expand their reach through an incentivized community engagement mechanism. On the other hand, SoroStarter enables its users, investors, and the Stellar community as a whole to secure early access to quality, well-vetted IDOs and token sales of projects on Soroban. SoroStarter's novel IDO/fundraising infrastructure comprises two main mechanisms, as shown in these architectural diagrams. The first mechanism is the IDO selection and onboarding feature, which consists of three main processes. These ensure a thorough vetting is done and only the best projects with the potential to impact the ecosystem are selected. These processes include the initial vetting process, which follows the submission of an IDO application. Here, the SoroStarter team and council members perform a comprehensive vetting and screening of the project based on the information submitted and the team's research. The next stage is the on-chain voting process. Projects that pass the vetting stage move to this stage, where SoroStarter governance members vote on the project. Governance members are those who stake XLM on the SoroStarter governance protocol, an on-chain governance mechanism for project selection deployed on Soroban. The final stage is the onboarding of the project, where the project's sales parameters are set within the SoroStarter on-chain IDO sale protocol. The second mechanism is SoroStarter's IDO/sale protocol, a decentralized sales fundraising protocol deployed on Soroban that enables users, investors, and community members to participate in IDOs on Soroban seamlessly. The IDO sale protocol algorithmically manages allocation, access, token unlock and distribution, refunds, and the release of the raised funds after the sale. I will now show a demo of these features on the infrastructure MVP developed. Here we have a list of projects that have either been scheduled for an IDO, are awaiting whitelisting, or have ongoing voting. To vote, a user selects the project with ongoing voting. As you can see, I cannot vote because I am not a governance member. To become a member, I need to stake at least 1,000 XLM. This can be done on the governance dashboard here. To stake, just enter the amount you want to stake and sign the transaction in your wallet. After you have staked, you can now vote. Simply select how you want to vote, click on Vote Now, and then confirm your vote within the wallet. To participate in an IDO, a user needs to select the project with an ongoing sale. Select the payment token. Here you can use either XLM or USDT, all FutureNet test tokens. I will use both. Firstly, using XLM, you can see the rate here. Enter the amount of XLM you want to spend, and then confirm the transaction. For the second purchase, I will use USDT. Similarly, enter the amount of USDT you want to spend and confirm the transaction. The summary of all your purchases can be found below. When the token's TGE token generation event reaches, the user will be able to claim the purchased tokens. SoroStarter brings a secure, decentralized ID fundraising platform to Soroban and the Stellar ecosystem. This will help numerous projects in the ecosystem launch their own utility tokens and expand their ecosystems. This will catalyze the growth and adoption of the Soroban blockchain and the Stellar Lumen ecosystem as a whole. We believe that SoroStarter brings a much-needed application to the Stellar ecosystem and hope that it benefits from the Stellar Lumen Community Grant, which will assist us in building our application faster and gaining adoption.